My personal reflection on Surah Hud. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. As a Muslima who reverted to Islam in 2007, my faith has been a journey of both beauty and hardship. But this Ramadan, something shifted deep within me. A reawakening, a sincere reconnection with Allah through His words. Surah Hud is powerful not just because it recounts the stories of past nations, but because it echoes a timeless warning, the consequences of turning away from Allah's guidance. Yet, amid these warnings, I found an unshakable thread of hope, the kind of hope I desperately clung to when I felt lost, hurt by the world, and wronged by those who saw my faith as a threat. The verse that pierced my heart was, "And all that we relate to you of the stories of the messengers, with it we make firm your heart." Surah Hud chapter 11 verse 120. It reminded me that Allah's words are not just historical accounts. They are meant to strengthen us, to steady our hearts when life's storms rage. I thought of Prophet Nuh's unwavering patience, Hud's courage against his people's arrogance, and Lut's trust in Allah, despite betrayal and loneliness. Their struggles mirrored my own in unexpected ways. Moments when I stood firm in my faith despite slander, or when I felt isolated, yet clung to Allah's mercy. Another verse that resonated deeply was, "Except those who are patient and do righteous deeds, those will have forgiveness and great reward." Surah Hud chapter 11 verse 11. It felt like a personal promise from Allah. My trials, the pain of losing a job unjustly, the false accusations, they weren't for nothing. If I remain patient and steadfast, there is something greater awaiting me. This Ramadan, Surah Hud taught me that faith is not about escaping life's difficulties, but about enduring them with unwavering trust in Allah. The prophets faced immense hardships, yet they never wavered, because they knew Allah's justice and mercy are absolute.